How to fix Newsmax TV app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Newsmax. After app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Scroll down, click on the option of General. Now go ahead and click on the option of iPhone Storage. Now in this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Now go ahead and open the app Newsmax. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app will clear cache from the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on this option of Delete app. Deleting will also delete all of its documents and data. This action cannot be undone. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app from your device. Now you can close this, launch your App Store, search for the app Newsmax. Once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Newsmax TV app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.